Welcome back, Skidmore Family Farm friends. So we were in Indiana yesterday and Sean moved them like he said in the video prior. We were kind of worried to make sure Mom and Jersey stayed in it, but we found him this morning in it and he's just being a silly little boy playing. So we were happy that he was still in the electric fence. But we're getting a rain right here, or it's raining right now. We'll walk over and see him, but let the chickens out. We got the water permit and paid for the water tap and connection. So anywhere between now and 6 weeks, they'll come out and set up our water. So that's exciting. Jersey, say hi.
They'll probably be here within 2 weeks.
I'm sure they will be too. I don't think it will take that long. Hi, Jersey. So, hi, Mama. He's like, I don't know about you guys.
What you doing?
But he looks a lot bigger already. He's what, 8 days old now.
He's getting tall. Hey, I will touch him if I want, Miss Trixie. I will get that boy.
So, we were going to see what we could get done today, but with the rain, granted we have a house to work inside. We need to go grocery shopping and do all the fun stuff. We don't have the kids right now. Mother-in-law kept Elena while Sean and I came back. And then we'll go back to Indiana Friday to pick up the rest of the kids for their last week before school starts. So.
I need to mix up more fly spray.
Yeah, we need to get more fly spray. But
I think this rain will knock them down some.
Everybody's doing good so far. So we'll see how the day progresses and hopefully maybe get a little sunshine. I would prefer clouds, but a little rain is nice because everything's so dry. But so far, so good. We'll see you guys later.
Come on, buddy. Get over here, turd bird. Jersey. Jersey boy.
I love to see him run. It's so cute.
I like when they do that bucking and stuff like dogs will do.
Yeah.
It's like they get spooked or they're just psyching themselves up.
Yeah, Mama, you're looking for... Hi, buddy. So cute. She's got a spot on her belly right there. You see it? It almost looks bloody. I don't know if she'll let us check it out or not. She's wanting water though.
Good girl. I know you're full. No. Trixie. No. No. Hi. Talking to you.
Jersey! Hi, buddy.
No. Hey. Stop it. Hey. Good girl, good girl. No.
She's just not having it today.
I will get on and you and ride you like a horse. Better stop it.
He's so cute.
He just wants to play.
I know.
Dogs,
That's why I want to put the dogs in there, but I know it's so muddy.
There's more cows like me. Hey, come on, guys, get over here.
You hear Veely? Veely's whining like, I want to go check that out. Too cute. Well, it ended up raining all day, so we didn't do anything out on the property. We grocery shopped and just kind of chilled out. Obviously, we're back. We put the chickens up and just checking on them. So, I know, Veely, you want to go play. But we'll go back and relax for the night. Hopefully things will dry out and not be too muddy. But that's okay. Hi, Jersey. Hi, Trixie. You don't know what to do you? Aw, mama and baby, so cute. It's okay, Trixie. They wouldn't hurt them. Not at all. Well, as always, thanks for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Hit the notification bells for all of our latest videos. Thumbs up. You can also follow us on Instagram and Facebook at Skidmore Family Farm. You guys have a great night, and we'll see you on the next video.